Thank you guys for joining us today. We'll keep it quick. This session is going to be about building your Bizly profile. So what you can see here is on mybizly.com, we have the login page. There's a clear button here that says register now. If you can't find it, it's right underneath don't have an account. If you have an account, sign in and I'll see you in another tutorial. Otherwise, let's get registered. To begin with, we're going to put our name, my first name, my last name, my email. Please do not email this one. It's a personal. It will go to spam. We're going to be adding a photo, which is typically 1080 by 1080. And the phone number. Do keep in mind the first iteration of Bizly is for the UK, Canada, and the US. So do excuse us as we build our services to be available for everything else. And obviously, if you want to hear more about what we're up to and hear about events and everything, do subscribe to the marketing communication. If you have any questions about our terms and conditions and privacy policy, do read it. I'm going to sign up. I should be getting a code now, which will be coming in any second now. We did put a countdown to give us the ability to resend in the case nothing happens. But if you ever do get stuck, you can always use this button here on the bottom right to assist you in proceeding. And me or one of our team members will be there to respond to you. And now the fun part. Okay, this is where you get to say what you do. Now, as you can see here, there's stars. So what that means is the stars is what is a must to be able to be discoverable on Bizly. So the role is I like to think of myself as an editor. So I'm an editor. And then my second thing is film and TV, most likely. If you are stuck and don't know, you can scroll through and do so likely. And I am from LA, right here. Any questions? No. Love it. Next. Up next, we're going to what is your current occupation? This, much like other platforms, lets us know what you're up to on a day-to-day. It does not lock you or block you from being able to apply to jobs or let others know what you do. This is simply of your day-to-day operations. I am employed, so I am the CEO of Creative X Entertainment and Bizly, but in this case, we're going to do Creative X Entertainment. I'm going to add it because the company doesn't exist yet. Therefore, in the future, we'll have a feature where you can upload your company logo. And my employment type is full-time. You can also see it in the drop-down here, as you can see. And then you can also, in the case that you don't want this to at all show on your profile, you can always just don't display my current occupation, which will be as easy as that. Going on to the next part, which is pitch yourself. This is the part where, think of it as an elevator pitch. Tell me about yourself in 150 characters or less. My name is Roy, if I can spell, and I love telling stories, making movies, helping brands connect to their audience, and love collaborating. I will obviously work on that more later. Collaborating. I'll work on this more later, but here it is. And then the last part is the part that gets to complete your profile to be visible. This is not a must. You can always skip it. But in the meantime, I did prepare some stuff in 9x16 image. You get to have 5 of them. And this will show at the top of your profile. Think of it as a cover photo at the top. This will be for mobile. We'll start with mobile. I will do this one because I like it. And then you also have the web version, which is a 16:9. It will be a landscape to allow your profile to be seen as a website with a beautiful image that represents you. This is where we're done. We're going to let the profile be created. And if we're good to go, this should be it. Awesome. You're now on Bizly. What you get to do now is you get to finish your onboarding, but this will do next. And with that, that is the end of it. But if you want to see your profile, you can go ahead and go to view my Bizly card. And this is your profile. On the next session, we'll do how to create and how to optimize your profile. But in the meantime, really appreciate you tuning in. Make sure to subscribe. do anything and everything you need to, and follow us for more. Thank you guys.